friends. Today I'm going to make a shabby chic tape dispenser. I've taken a regular black tape dispenser that you can get from Staples or any office supply store, and I'm painting it with Annie Sloan chalk paint. I happen to have Annie Sloan paint because I used it on my dining room set. This one's called Country Gray, but you can use any homemade chalk paint or any chalk paint for regular smaller projects that you would do in your craft room. I just wanted my tape dispenser to look beautiful in a shabby chic craft room instead of looking all like just a plain black one. So I decided to paint it, and this covered so well. I was so pleased with it, and it dries really fast. As you can see here, my video stopped, but I added this really pretty trim at the bottom and some real sweet trim at the top. Added some flat back curls along the top of the bottom trim. And then I happen to have some of those crystal trim that I put around the bottom, and I just love it. It makes it so nice and blingy, and it's just so fun for my craft room. Really enjoy that. Thought it just really added. I added all of that with hot glue. Made it really nice and easy. Then I got out my We Are Memory Keeper Bloom gem tray, and I just love it. You open it up, it looks like a rose, and I have all of my gems in there. And I was deciding how I was going to do it along the side. As you can see, I used a lot of the crystal flat back trims that I got from Michael's, and I have this wonderful little jewel that I can't remember the name of it. I will put it on there as soon as I look it up, but it's so nice to use. I was using my fingers, but I realized that works way nicer. I got a box of these jewels at Michael's for, I think it was $9.99, and of course I got 40% off, so I put them in my beautiful blooming flower. I think they're so pretty when you open it up. I'm loving this as we go. It is so fun, and I want it to be very functional, so I'm being careful not to get anything in the way of where I would actually use my tape. You can use this for Scotch tape, or you can use it for your heat tape. You can use it for washi tapes. You can use it for any kind of tape, because the little dispenser, of course, has that little centerpiece that can go in a spool of any kind of tape, even your double-sided tapes. It would be great. I'm going to use it for Scotch tape. I ended up using a piece of applique on the front. I thought it was so pretty and just really was the perfect thing to go there, and then wouldn't get in the way of the tape when it came over the edge. Didn't want anything to ruin the operation of it. I propped it up there so I could get busy and add some more of the gems where it would be noticeable on the camera a little bit better. It was so fun. Then to do the other side, I basically did the same thing. I just got the different sizes of the little crystals, and some small, some medium, and a couple of large, and then some little bit fancier ones to go on a couple of spots, like that one right there. It was so fun. I love it so much. And see, it's not very hard to do. You could actually, if you didn't like the bling and didn't want it to look real shabby chic, you could use a lot of rustic things. You could use things that look like little cogs and make it a little bit steampunk, or you could use burlap and make it look rustic, or you could paint it white and make it look very farmhouse. Whatever works for your decor, to leave it just sitting out, it looks so nice. See, I put the big bling on the very back of it. I love that. I thought it looked so nice. Actually, it kind of ends up looking like a slipper a little bit. course, I had to do the top. It was very fun trying to decide. I thought scissors, but it was a little bit too rustic for this particular style. So I put me a nice butterfly over there on the end and decided to go ahead and put some of the flat back crystal looking gems on the top. That way that would not interfere with the tape at all. Had a very flat gem there that would work and not get in the way of the tape. And there you have it. How fun is that? Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. And if you like this video, make sure and click like. We'll see all you good people later. Bye-bye.